Hi, this is Dan again with the next episode in our video series on submitting news and articles to the TCHF website. First item of business is to log into the website. Normally we don't have the user login exposed at all, so the normal procedure is to go to the URL and add a /user. That will bring up your login, and for our purposes, we'll use Detroit. Once you are logged in safely, you will have a new navigation menu here with add content and a link to our website tutorials, which is what I'm creating now. First step is to click on add content. Your normal process is to use the blog entry. That's your news item for your particular user. In this case, it will be Detroit. So we click on blog entry, put in the title, I'll just use this for my test thing. Put in the title, then type in your information. Once you get everything in there the way you like it, scroll down to the bottom and click on Save. And there's your article. Your blog entry has been saved. So if you go to News now, it defaults to the top of the list in News items. You can then click on it and make any changes by clicking on Edit if you want to update it later. If not, also, if you go to the front page, it will default to the front page top article. If you don't want to mess with the translation, you're done. If you want, you can leave it to myself, the webmaster, and I will take care of it later once I spot your new article. If you'd like to do it yourself, here's the process. First thing you do is click on New Tab in your browser and then enter the URL translate.google.com. This is what I use to actually do the translation, since I'm not a fluent Spanish speaker. If you are, you can skip this step. Now that you have that there, click back on the tab on the website, click your new article. Here's your article. You notice there's now a new tab here, it says Translate. Click on that, and this opens up a new menu. Our source is already there, and it hasn't been translated yet, so you click on Add Translation. That creates a new page with your content all ready to go, except notice the mode is now in Spanish. However, the text itself has not been translated yet. This is what's up to you. The way you do it is do a cut and paste. Start with the title, highlight it, do a copy, switch back to Google Translate, click on that and do a paste into it, and then click on Spanish if it's not selected, and there's your translation. You can click in the Select All to highlight it, right click and do a copy. Click on your tab back to the website. Delete the English copy there and do a right click and do paste with your new Spanish version. Do the same thing with your text in your body. Do a copy, click over to Google Translate, highlight the old text, delete it, and paste in the new copy. Click Select All. Do a copy, switch back, and delete the English, right click, do a paste, and you will get this message sometimes, depending on how your web browser is set up. Just click on, do a paste again into this window, and then click OK. Then it will appear in the proper location. You now have your page set up with the Spanish translation. We need to save it. And we now have both English and Spanish versions, which you can verify by switching back and forth here. And you can go back to home. We're in Spanish mode right now. Here's your new article in Spanish. And here's your new article in English. And you're done. This has been a quick introduction to how to use the website tools to submit a new blog entry, news item for your particular group, and automatically translate it and submit it both to the website. Thank you.